Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. Today I am here with a vlog. You actually heard that right. I am vlogging today, and it's been since December since I've done one. I don't know, I went back and I've watched some of my old Vlogmas because I really enjoyed that. That was a very good vlog. However, that was a really, really rough season in my life. I was really sick with Crohn's and everything, and I had just not... I wasn't well, and I was not exactly sure what I was going to do, so it was kind of I go back and watch, and it was really kind of depressing. I'm shocked that people watched it, but now, since I'm better, I don't have any issues anymore ever since I started my medicine, things are so much better in my life, and I'm able to do so much more, so I thought, let's come back. I don't know how long I'll do these vlogs, but I thought, let's do it again. Let's start vlogs up again. For a season, not every day. I'm not going to commit to posting one of these every single day like I did in December, but maybe once a week or something, twice a week. Get into a groove of this again. I don't know how often I'll do these, how often a day I'll do it, but we're going to try. So today is Tuesday. It's 3:43 p.m., and it's been kind of a boring day because I've been adulting all day. I've had a bunch of things to take care of. I've had to be on the phone with the credit card company twice. I had to be on the phone with... my insurance pharmacy because insurance drama. I have to get my medicine and my Humira medicine with Crohn's. I'm on Humira if you didn't know that, and insurance changes, so I had to get it all set up with the new pharmacy, and it had to have prior authorization and just all this fun adult stuff. So that's been my life today. Discover there was a charge on my credit card. Long story short, I got 3 gift cards. 2 of them were for a giveaway. 1 was for something else. And get this. So the 2 who won the giveaway gift cards, they did get it. The other one didn't get it because I messed up on their email. I forgot to put a stupid S in the email address. So I sent it to this wrong email. Walmart absolutely refused to do anything. It wasn't even a real email address because I actually went and emailed the person who I accidentally got the gift card sent to, and it came back like not an email. So this is not an email. So I thought, well, Walmart could just simply, I don't know, cancel the gift card or something and send it over to the right person or send it back to me or let me buy a new one. No, Walmart refused. So I had to go call Discover, get a dispute charge, and they're going to give me the money back for the gift card, and then I went and repurchased the gift card, and it's all taken care of now. But it's been an adulting kind of day. I'm like, oh my gosh. So yeah, but that's been my day so far. I'm not going couponing today. No, not going couponing today. I am trying to work through a massive to-do list of stuff that I need to do. I'm just going to show you along. I need to organize some coupons because I keep getting inserts all the time and awesomeness like that. I need to put stockpile items away, if that makes sense. So that's that. I need to put all that stuff away. I need to email some more companies for coupons. Kelsey has been doing that series, but I want to email some local companies around here. I have no idea if they'll send anything, but I thought, why not try? I got to do some school stuff because I have a big test on Thursday. I've got some stuff done. I need to do some YouTube stuff. I need to answer comments. I need to film that Q&A. I originally filmed it and it got messed up, so I need to refilm it. This is a 2-sided to-do list here. I need to do Bible and prayer. I should do that in the morning, but I didn't this morning. Like I said, I've had all that to take care of, so yeah, and I gotta make dinner. I actually committed to do dinners on the nights where my mom's at work because she picked up more hours at another job, so I'm still home for the summer, not really doing anything, so I mean, I'm in school and everything, and I do YouTube, but I still have more. I don't actually have to leave the house right now, so I signed up to do dinners a couple nights a week, and I'm actually trying to get into it more. And we're actually been doing freezer dinners, and I actually did a freezer dinner for tonight, and I'm really excited about that. Like, I couldn't even believe how easy it was, and like now I don't have to stress. I don't have to stress about doing it. All I have to do is just top it with cheese and put it in the oven, and I'll show you all that too. So that's pretty much all I have left for today so far. We'll get to that, and yeah, we're gonna get to all that, and I'm just gonna take you along with me. So let's do that. Okay, does anyone else absolutely adore this stuff? Sheila G's Brownie Brittle. I've only had the gluten-free one because that's what I was eating when I was really sick, but now that I can eat wheat, my grandma saw this at Big Lots, and she's like, do you like this stuff? And I've never had the salted caramel, but I absolutely adore the sea salt chocolates. I really think this is going to be good, and I'm So pumped to try this. This stuff is like, oh, this stuff is so good. So good. So I'm going to eat some, make homework just a little bit easier because I have something good to have. All right, I'm going to take a break from school and do dinner. This is a freezer meal. I know, this is like so not, I feel bad, this isn't really interesting, but this is a typical Tuesday. Tuesday's never that busy, or never really anything too huge going on. It's a Parmesan cheese pasta bake and chicken. I haven't put the cheese on it yet. Let me kind of show you what it looks like before I pick it up. It has like chicken, peas, pasta, of course, garlic, really good stuff. I just gotta add some cheese on it, thaw it out, and put it in the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and thaw it out first, and then put the cheese on it. So let's go do that. I'll show you everything else I prep for dinner too. Okay, so as you can see from that title, I said couponing is driving me crazy, and yeah, seriously, it is right now. If any of the rest of you have this problem, let me know. I love couponing, but it also comes with so many sets of problems, and oh my gosh, I should not put the camera up close to me. I got to shave. I always shave on Wednesday because of church day, so yeah, but it's crazy. So let me kind of show you my situation right now, why my organization for coupons is like all a mess. I mean, it's getting organized. It's like organized chaos. We're getting there. There's organization to it. For a few days, it was just thrown all over my desk and on my little filming table right there. It was all just thrown on it. So yeah, but let me show you now what I'm talking about. Okay, so I got my nice little couponing picture up there that Amy Harrington sent me, so love it. That's definitely going to be here, my little coupon station. Got a bunch of randomness here. In here I have baseball card holders plus folders. Here I'm keeping random coupons I need to file, and it's full. And these are all need to be filed in my binder. All of them. Okay, and then here I just keep receipts from the trips. This is pretty good. And now I'm going to show you part 2 to my coupon organization. But this, oh, the thought of folding all these coupons up in my binder, oh my gosh, it drives me nuts. But I know it's got to happen. Alright, so pardon that air conditioner. I know it's annoying, but this is a vlog. Like, this is real life here. We're going to keep things legit real in this vlog. So, here is my coupon bag. I didn't go out. This isn't particularly a bag I would have picked. I would have picked something a little more, I don't know, guyish, I guess. But it's blue, so it pretty much fits the bill. This is actually free that we got, so why not use what you got, right? Here, I have a method of this. I have folders I'm going to keep in the back. Here I have my coupon binder, which I'll show you in a second. Here I have P&Gs for the month. Because I don't know if I'm going to cut those up anymore because the date is so short on most of those. Here I got my sales flyers for like Kroger, CVS, even though I haven't shopped at CVS in like 6 months. Staples. Actually, we did it together the other day and just picked something up. That was the closest store. Walgreens, Rite Aid's in there too. And here what I'm doing is I'm keeping whole inserts. So let me get into this. So like here, this is from 4/28. So, okay, this has been a dilemma I've been having for weeks now. Sunday, I get my papers, I cut my coupons, we're good to go. They're all in the binder. And then let's say Tuesday comes and I get some more in the mail or someone gives me their coupons. Do I sit and cut them all out again or do I just file them? I have been cutting them all out, but I am experiencing so much burnout with this method. So I've decided I have some already cut up in my binder. Why am I cutting out more? So here is 428. I have my smart source. There was 2 smart source and retell me knots. I just put them in a file folder. I'm going to keep them, and I'm going to put them in here. That's what I'm going to do. I have it for a whole bunch of weeks. I'm going to just keep doing it. And if I'm wanting to go clearance hunting, I have a bunch of them in my binder, but I could potentially just take this in the store. That's really heavy, but I potentially could. Plus, it keeps me kind of organized throughout the week. So I'm going to try this, but I tell you, this organization method, I've been thinking this forever now. That's why I've done them all. I've done the box. I've done the little accordions. I've done the binder like 20 times. I've done them all so much. Oh, I told you I'd show you my binder. Okay, it's actually already propped open. Got to get it up. It's heavy. And look, this thing is full, and this is a 3-inch. So this thing is huge. But I have so many categories and stuff. It's popped open on me so many times, but I love having it all laid out in here. That's why I at least like having 4 of each like coupon in here at all times. I really like that. But it can get hard. I'm actually going to go into school this fall. I will actually be on a college campus 20 hours a week. Yeah, that's craziness. So I don't know if I'll be able to keep this binder up. And here we go. This is crazy. Yesterday, I had this in my cart at Kroger in the transaction. I couldn't find the coupon anywhere. It's just like, what is wrong with me? I'm always doing that. I'm forgetting to use coupons too that I want to use. I forget about them. And it's just like, oh, do any of you have this problem? Does couponing ever drive you crazy? That's just where I'm at right now. I'm really good about getting Ibotta bonuses and deals, but sometimes saving on the regular stuff and keeping up with the organization is hard. Anyone who tells you the binder's easy, it's not. They're lying to you. The binder is not easy at all. But I do feel like it has benefits. I just old up past stuff. I wouldn't have my coupon in here yesterday. This was filmed on Tuesday, but I wouldn't have got this for free at Kroger. I wouldn't have if I didn't have the coupon in my binder. So I feel like there is merit to it, but there's also a lot of hard work to it. As of now, maybe in the fall, I'm thinking what I'll do is I can't give up this binder because look how many peelies and tear pads and stuff are in here. It's not just insert coupons. I'm thinking I might do what My Own Identity does. I saw her video. It's actually really, really good. What she does is here are just keep coupons I'd like to use. Try to remember to use. What she does is she cuts out some of the coupons she thinks she'll use, and the rest of them she files. And that might be what I have to do because you know how many random coupons, like, look here. Contact solution. None of us even wear contacts, but I worry, what if it's free? What if it's a moneymaker and I don't have the coupon? It's just so hard. I got to figure it out. I got to. But couponing does drive me crazy from time to time. I love it. I would not do it, but it drives me crazy. So yeah, do any of you have that problem? Let me know. But I need to get those coupons I showed you filed in this binder. I need to sit down while I watch TV tonight, file them in here, and just get it done. Because I need to stop procrastinating. That's why I'm not together on trips. I need to go couponing when I go to Kroger tomorrow to do the pictures for you all. I'm going to get some deals there too. And then, of course, Thursday I'll probably go to Walmart as well and get my life together here. So, yeah, get it all together. All right, so we are going to wrap up tonight's vlog. Let me turn my air off because it's kind of cold in here now. We're going to wrap up tonight's vlog. I'm pretty much done for the day. Tomorrow's not going to be too interesting. I'm just going to study, do my videos for Kroger, go to church, and that's about it. Wednesdays are not too interesting. I don't know though, I might do some light vlogging, but tomorrow I have to, oh my gosh, that's horrible. I was looking through Facebook and saw a news story. I can't believe someone would talk like that. Anyways, yeah, study time tomorrow, because I have a test Thursday morning at 9 a.m. that I have to be like prepped for, and there's a lot to study. We have a good study guide though, so I just need to sit down, get up earlier, and just study for hours on end. And then I'll finally get it crammed in my memory, and I'll be able to go do the test and do good. But, yeah, so we got to do that tomorrow. I've really enjoyed this vlog. Oh, I do want to say one of the things today. If you are a college student, most of you probably didn't get a loan through Discover. I did through Discover, and they are actually giving back 1% of your loan amount if you have a good GPA of 3.0. So yeah, so actually I'm going to get money back because of my good grades. So I'm really, and 3.0 is not that hard to get. I mean, I have better than a 3.0. I'm not bragging on myself. I'm saying it's definitely not hard. So I'm going to get back some money through Discover. So if you do Discover student loan, definitely look into that. It's really, really awesome program. So I did that today. Free money, right? And yeah, tomorrow is Kroger Day. So be looking out for that. Videos, study, church. That's tomorrow. Nothing else too exciting. But I will definitely be back with more vlogs. I've really enjoyed this again. I've missed it. It's just hard just to kind of, when your life's kind of redundant, you do the same stuff like over and over. Coming back and doing vlogs that often really isn't that thrilling. So, yeah. Yeah, so that is all that I have for now. And Trish, if you're watching, I don't know if you'll still be watching at this point. Trish is my friend from high school. We still keep in touch. But if you're still watching, message me, K Marty. That'd be proof you're actually watching at this point. That was an inside joke we had when we were like 14. So yeah, do that, Trish, if you're watching. Yeah, that's all I have for now. And thank you so much for watching.